friends, today we're gonna draw Zoey.
Yeah, from K-Pop Demon Hunters. And here's what she looks like at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. What are we using to draw with?
Markers.
Yeah, and also we have a white colored pencil to add some of the details, but you could use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's draw her nose just like we drew the other two. We're gonna draw a little curve in the middle of our paper, but also towards the top so that we can draw the rest of her body down here. Then we're gonna draw her smile and her eyes. We'll draw 2 circles the same size. And then we can draw little circles in the top left of each eye. And then color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. And if we ever fast forward the video or we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time. Okay, and then let's draw eyelashes, and we can draw her chin next. We're gonna draw just a little curve underneath her smile, and we're gonna stop here so that we can draw the top of her hair and also the little strands that come down. So first, we're gonna draw her bangs coming across the top. I should have maybe drawn them straight, but. And then we're gonna draw the strand coming down next to her chin, or cheeks on both sides. It's already starting to look like her.
Yeah, a little bit.
You could also connect her cheeks to the hair on each side. Okay, and then also let's draw her little eyebrows, and let's draw hers just a little curve on top. The other ones, we made them thicker. But let's draw the rest of the strand coming down and then curving into a point at the very bottom. Next, let's draw her ear. We can draw letter C on the left and a backwards C on the right. And then we can draw the top of her hair. We're gonna draw it right here, and we're gonna go up, over, and down on the other side. Then we can draw her buns on each side. So we'll draw a big letter C going around her ear, and same over here, but backwards. There's her head. Now we're ready to draw her body. Let's draw 2 lines. We're gonna leave a little space. We're starting where her armpits would be on each side. And then right here, let's draw, this would be the top of her pants, and then the bottom of her shirt, and that's her belly. Yes, okay, now let's draw her pants. And we're gonna draw 2 diagonal lines coming out further on each side. And then right here in the middle, we're gonna draw an upside down letter V. And I'm drawing it really narrow or close together so that we can draw her puffy pants down here at the bottom. We're gonna draw a curve to complete each pant leg. And then we gotta also draw a little pocket on each side of her pants. And then we can also draw the top of the pocket, an extra line. And then she has these really cool, I think they're suspenders. We can draw 2 curves coming down. And then let's draw them thicker by adding a smaller one inside. Then up here at the top, let's draw a line across here and another line right below it. And then around her neck, we'll draw the letter V. And then another diagonal line on each side. Awesome. Okay, now let's draw her feet. We're first gonna draw a little rectangle shape at the very bottom for the bottom of her pants. And then let's draw her shoes. We'll draw them curving out on each side. And they're kind of like high tops or basketball shoes, but we're gonna keep it simple. And we'll just draw this part. We're gonna draw the heel coming down further. And then draw the bottom of her shoe connecting. Then we can add a little extra detail. Let's draw a curve for the front of her shoe where her toes are. These could be her shoelaces. And then we'll draw it curving up and connecting. Up and connecting. And then you can add another little curve right here at the top. It's getting really small. All right, there's her shoes. Looks really cool. But now let's draw her arms. We're going to draw the first one coming down and bending up. And then on this one, let's just draw it coming down. Let's keep it really simple. We're going to draw the inside of her arm coming down further. And then we'll curve around and connect. So it just looks like really simple. We could also draw a little thumb too. Let's do the same thing on this side. We'll draw the inside of her arm connecting up to her armpit. And then we'll curve around to end for her fist. It's like she's got a fist like this. And then we can draw her thumb, little letter U here. Okay, now let's draw her little knives. So here we're going to draw 3 leaf shapes. We're going to come up to a point and then back down. And we'll come up to a point, back down, up, and back down. And then she has this cool tassel, maybe, rectangle shape coming down from her hand. Then let's draw the 3 knives on this hand. 1, 2, and 3. Then we can draw a tassel coming down from this hand.
She also has bracelets.
Oh yeah, which arm is it on? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, we can draw 3 lines on her wrist. We did it! We finished drawing Zoey. She looks really cute, except we still need to
color her.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match her same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Zoey and she turned out really cute. Okay, she might be my favorite out of the 3.
Me too.
Who's your favorite? Is it Zoey?
Yeah, Zoey.
Zoey's. I especially like how cute she looks all finished. Now you can pause the video to match her same coloring. You could also
add a background.
Yeah, oh, you could draw demons in the background.
Oh yeah, she's getting ready to fight.
Yes, although she wouldn't be this happy, I don't think. When we colored her, we also added little details to her pants. We added a yellow design and then also a blue-green color for her suspenders and also holes on her shoes. She has really cool shoes. These are probably my favorite out of all of them.
I also like how we added pink cheeks and a shadow to make it 3D.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Zoey.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. I'm sure your drawings turned out really cool, even though they probably look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome. Most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.